Ospreys head coach Mark Jones has expressed optimism that Jac Morgan could return for next weekend's Welsh derby against the Dragons at Rodney Parade. Jones, however, is hopeful that Morgan, along with Harri Deaves, Kieran Hardy and new signing Ryan Smith, will be available for selection. We'll see how they come in on Monday, but potentially they are back in around it, Jones said. They're back training, so that's a positive. And we will have a little look at that, take stock and review the situation to see if we can get those names back in to the matchday 23. Morgan's absence has been noticeable as the Ospreys suffered a heavy 42-17 defeat at home to Glasgow Warriors. Jones admitted he expected more from his players than the one-sided scoreline suggested. The return of Morgan, the Ospreys' captain, is expected to strengthen the squad's leadership and overall performance, giving them a boost ahead of the derby clash. Morgan's reintegration is also significant for his international prospect with Wales. The 25-year-old flanker has been a key figure in the national side, captaining Wales during the 2025 Six Nations and making notable contributions in the Rugby World Cup, including tries against Portugal and Australia. Maintaining fitness and form with Ospreys is crucial as Wales prepare for important fixtures, including their autumn series this year. The potential return of Morgan not only lifts the club but also Welsh rugby as a whole. His experience, leadership and physical presence on the field are invaluable assets for both Ospreys and Wales. With the squad looking to recover from recent defeats, having Morgan back could provide the impetus the team needs to improve performances, solidify their forward pack and restore confidence. Fans and coaching staff will be watching closely to see if Morgan can resume his influential role as the Ospreys look to regain momentum and strengthen their bid for domestic success while keeping Morgan in peak condition for international duty.